It should be two distinct roles, one for the learner formation officer and then one for the guidance counselor, with the guidance counselor being there to support the students, be there if they need someone to talk to, be the one to keep track. Are there learners who are exhibiting behaviors that may be seen as vulnerable or at risk? And then also to engage parents and also to converse with teachers who may be handling these students. Ideally, the role of guidance counselors should not be post the event. Sana it is preventive, which is why their role and their presence is so important. Kasi dapat they are able to do activities, do assessments that allow them to understand sino yung students natin na medyo may kailangang extra support. Kasi usually pag nag-act out yung bata, ano na yan dulo na yan. Achievement or learning does not happen in a vacuum because a child is not a student only. The child is a person. It is a human being who goes through many issues, many problems, goes through many experiences. At kung hindi siya natutulungan ng mahusay at buo, hindi din siya makakapag-aral. Yung teachers natin, obviously, nakatutok dapat sila sa pagtuturo. So, they are focused on instruction. So, yung mga problema ng ibang bata, pag may pag-aaway, pag may iba pang kailangan immediate, hindi nila kayang gampanan lahat yun kasi masyadong madami. And we need really dedicated people to handle this. in past years, we only gave guidance counselor positions at the high school level. Kasi inisip siya previously na high school yan pang career guidance. It was primarily intended for counseling, for careers, and not to handle all of these formative aspects of student well-being and formation that we are now realizing hindi pala pwedeng high school lang. Dapat mas maaga, habang nagbi-build ka ng character, may pinagdadaanan yung mga bata, may nagjo-journey. We are hoping that since we have more graduates in these programs, sila yung pwedeng pumasok, nandiyan na sila, tumulong na sa mga guro, tumulong sa principal, and pag pumasok pa yung guidance counselors that we are currently investing in and trying to fix the supply for, magkakaroon tayo ng team that can really support our students at the school level. So hopefully, mapunan yun agad soon para yung unang batch of 10,000 schools makakuha na ng school counselor associates. And if this is utilized well, I'm sure we could fight for a bigger budget for next year para mas maraming schools yung mabigyan na ng allocation for SCAs.